located in Hallandale. A new luxury residential tower is coming to Hallandale. Amenities: lounge and party room, communal and private BBQ stations, wellness center with steam shower, sauna and cold plunges, resort-style pool and 2x hot tubs, private cabanas and chaises, sweat room, co-working spaces with private conference room and media room, pet-friendly and dog walk area, state-of-the-art 3,000 sq ft fitness center. Residences: frameless glass walk-in showers, Italian modern kitchens, porcelain flooring, waterfall Italian one-piece quartz countertops and backsplash, expansive walk-in closets, porcelain flooring, in-unit washer and dryer, move-in ready. Team: Architect, Sklar Architecture, Developer, Kadima, Interior Design, Addison House. Reserve your heaven of luxury at 7 Park in Hallandale with a 10% contract deposit. Call 786-361-9956 for more information.